I've been trying for the last hour to get this cat off me. Watch and learn. Watch. Here you go, baby.
In the middle of nowhere with my customer, and I turn around and there's 3 rattlesnakes.
Oh, right at the good part.
Come on, you gotta get down, honey. Good kitty. Good. Baby, what are you doing, kitty?
We got a meeting at noon.
Come on.
Like a good
Get
neighbor.
down for a minute. I gotta go.
Don't worry, Rob, you're covered.
What are you doing?
Stay for
What are you doing to me?
whenever you need them.
You can use whipped topping made with hydrogenated oil. Real joyful moments are shared over the real cream in Ready Whip. Ready Whip. Share the joy. I'm stressed.
Sunday.
Great to meet your mom.
Not quite sure what she was thinking about me murdering a white lady. It's important for her to fit in with my family.
Rod, girls can wear, like, how to say it?
See-through shirts.
Uh-huh.
Marcus, their friend. No, I'm here in the US. Kinda don't like it.
90 Day Fiancé. All new. Sunday at 10 on TLC. The Seminole Johnsons are back. Some people call us the biggest little family in the world. With big fun,
Hi, Diva. Hi, baby. What are you doing?
big drama.
We can't make everybody happy all the time.
Let's go camping. Can't pass.
Oh, I guess the cat's done. I guess it's hit. Oh my
Big
God.
moments.
What are you doing, kitty, kitty?
Their biological father.
Let's try this one more time.
Johnston's season premiere November 10th at 10 on TLC.
Oh my God, I give up. I'm going to bed with the damn cat.